Today, China has territorial problem nearly all the neighbor. All the neighbor. Yes? Japan, Philippines, Malaysia, yes, India, every country. Yes. China uses shipping or one road project just expanded its territory. That's why, and in the past, in the British colonized in the India and some other countries, but at least they recognize, yeah, we occupy this country. We colonize this country. But China has never said, if you colonize some place, they say, this place from ancient time, part of China. Yes. And the Tibet is the part of China from the ancient time. East Turkestan, the part of China, China is from the ancient time. If Delhi and if you occupy some part of India, even into some Baluchi place, and maybe after 20 years later, it's Baluchi is a part of China, it's since the ancient time. So it's a very dangerous policy. So we must be really pay attention on this. Yes. And then because of such kind of cultural genocide, economic discrimination, today and China is one road, one bill, and for the shipping, bring a lot of huge Chinese worker to this place. Not only technology, not only money, bring the population transport here. Yes, population transport. Yes. So today, East Turkestan is among them young generation, so many unemployed. But Chinese government encourage the Chinese people to transfer to the East Turkestan. And the opposite, and mostly unmarried Uyghur young women transport to inner China. Why? Provide job to you. Why you don't provide job in our own country? You bring every day couple of thousand Chinese transport East Turkestan to provide job to them, and couple of thousand Uyghurs young transport inner China to provide job to them. It is very clearly to implement this assimilation policy. Yeah. So maybe time is up. So I'm really happy I'm here today with you. So it's very important, we approaching and time to time we have to. It's very important conference. First we have to understand each other our problem, how we can cooperate, how we can solidarity each other, and if we united and all was very good united, then we can success. So thanks for your attention.